Hello, this is a video response kinda for you, Alex, who asked me about how to put in videos in Particle Illusion. Okay, let's see. What I do is double click here on the layer and I find my video and let's see, there we have it. Yeah, funny face. Okay, I take it in. This is a AVI. Okay, I know this might be confusing, but this is actually a AVI. But I'll now drag it in. Okay, okay. Okay, you see? Just what you said. There's nothing in there. Nothing at all. It's empty. I can play it, but there's just nothing. Good. Here's what you gotta do. Um, I have here Movavi Video Suite. It's a video converter. Convert videos and DVDs. It's very, very good. So that's actually what you have to do. Output format. It has to be AVI. I know it sounds weird, but that's just you just have to do that. Very sorry. Output AVI DivX X video, and I'll just put in the video, particle video, and open, and it's there, not converted, converting. Shouldn't take that long. It ain't big. There you go. See, now I have it here. It still shows the same um, as AVI as it did before, but hey, don't ask me why. Okay, now I can go in. Oh yeah, I got it open. Oh yeah, well, I'll just close one of them. Oh shit, I actually got three open. Okay, there we go. Now I can double click and I have in my folder converted videos. I have it right here. There we go. Pictures in. It might tell me that it's the frame is too low. Let's see. No. If it tells you that the frames um, is not as it is set in the let's see. Oh yeah, sorry. Damn it. You see, here's the frame rate. You push this button here. Here you can change your frame rate to 25 or 30, depending on what the program tells you. Some videos it has to be 25, but this one seems to be okay with 30. So we just continue. Yep, that's the video. Funny face I made, and it's even talking. And yeah, that's really it. Put in some, yeah, whatever, sparkles maybe. Let's see. We can put in a trail here, make some funny stuff with that. And first frame, no. I want it to come right here at 90. There we go. Very nice. And now I just use my right arrow, you see, and I can go frames forward. And then I can actually make it go. See here, it's 45. Now it would just stay there. Well, I don't want that. I want it to disappear right there. And again, you can do it in many ways, but yeah, actually you can do it in really many ways. I'll just zoom it out here. It's up there. This is where I want to zoom it out. Let's see, there we think. And down to 0. It's gone. I know this looks a little weird, but it doesn't matter. It's more the point on how you put in the video, I guess. So, that's it. Should be... Yeah, okay, you can see now it stops here. And that is because I didn't change the 120 end frame, because the video is longer than that. So I'll just have to find out where the video stops. Very, very easy. Oh, wrong button. There we go. And the video stops about... He stops talking. Oh, that's a long one. There it stops. 367. There we go. Sorry, I'm a little I have a lot of stuff to do at my old house, so I have to do this a little fast. Gotta keep going on. There we go. Yes, good, good. Um, there's a lot of other stuff you can do. I might make a tutorial a little later on all the other stuff you can do, because there is a lot of stuff. But this is pretty much something you can do. Pretty good. Yes. Okay, I hope it worked for you. So, yeah, have fun, and if it didn't work, please just send a mail and I'll try to help you again. Okay. Bye bye.